the course of fire?
Yes.
Is the shooter ready?
Yes.
Stand by.
Nice.
Jesus H Christ. 2.29.
Nice.
Well done.
Yoski broskies, it's cold as fuck outside. I got a lot of shit from some of my friends about, oh, what happened to you used to fly from the car. Yeah, I used to, man, but just sitting down and flying is not my thing anymore. Before I couldn't stand to fly, and so I learned to stand to fly. And now I don't like to sit when I'm flying unless I'm simming, you know, so I gotta fly though. It's cold as shit. My biggest problem with the cold is like 10 to 12 years ago, got a little accident where I lost, yeah, so this little piggy is extra sensitive to the cold, so it's a bitch to fly. This shit starts hurt after a couple packs, well, after 8-pack. So I got my old little crossfire extension magnet thing. I'm gonna hook my crossfire tune set on the roof, and the DJI goggles will penetrate glass no problem. So I'm not going outside, man, but I need to fucking fly. You know how it is, man. So for those of you who haven't seen the extensions that you can use for like Crossfire and some other radios, it's basically like a SMA extension that connects to the back of the Crossfire there, and then you slap your antenna on there, and it's got a magnet on the back. So all I'm gonna do is just pull this bad boy out here, pop it up someplace on the roof, and boing, she done. That's simple. All right, so quad, I'm flying today. I'm pressed to fly. I had problems with it last week. I tried to fly it, like motor 3 had this weird twitch, and I thought it's because I had changed my profile. My profile is an EMU, so I got one profile set for one of the preset 1750 tunes that I liked before, and the other one set to defaults. So we'll see what happens. Flying, favorite frame, Cricket Moon Goat, Hero 10, Hobby Wing X-Rotor stack. I like the full air unit. It's just better reception for me. And what I do is I run my antennas down out the sides, basically like that, so can't get hit by any props and they're out of the way, and I'm like good coverage in my opinion. So let's get going with this shit. I need to get my goggles on here. You know, I see all this shit, I should cut to it, but I'm too lazy to fucking hit stop recording because I want to fly this shit and see what the fuck is going on. Alright, battery. Turn this GoPro on. Turn this GoPro on. Did I kill this GoPro too? I did put another battery back in here, didn't I? Nope. Glad I did bring my other batteries. Oh, like, dude, if you guys got like a GoPro 8, 9, or 10, get on Amazon and check like these little Telesin chargers. They charge like 3 GoPro batteries, and they got a little micro SD card slot down there in the back, and can hold 2 more. This thing has obviously come in handy a few times, as you can see. It's good to have if you got multiple GoPros, even if you just have one and you got a lot of batteries from it from having to exchange them. You know, stuff happens to the batteries when you fly FPV. I'd show you the back of this one, but you already know. All right, let's hit record on this guy, and then we can get a sync clap. I hope that works. We'll see. Never actually done it before because I've never really like done this type of like vlogging shit. At least not from the car. Yeah. God, this freaking hat. By the way, Pyro Drone, this Pyro hat is fucking the bomb. If you don't have one, get one. Comfy as fuck if you live in the colder environments. All right, we got Vidya. Send the wee lad out into the cold. Aye, lads and lassies. So that wasn't good. Another old school trick, if you don't have like heated seats, what I decided not to use because it take too long for them to get warm, just crank up the heat and throw the Mickey flicks up on the dash. Card bill. You go to the grocery store. Fuck. Need toilet paper. Fuck all that, man. I need a pyro order. This battery's done yet? Oh, I probably shouldn't have smoked that one. Alright, got some packs heated up, warmed up a little bit. I'm gonna go in here and change up to that other rate profile and see how that flies compared to first one did. So radio's not even on, so chill. Alright, let's take two here. And this is with, of course, do the obligatory sync clap. And this is with the rate profile 2, which is that, I think it's the Andre 1750. Be fast, because it's cold as fuck out there. I didn't fucking have my radio on for safety reasons for all the trolls. Alright, what we got? Let's go. Just go chill. Battery warms up some. In the cold, fam. No Maddies in the cold. Woo, flew for a minute, baby. Cold as fuck, boy. Ripping the pack, boy. Well, mild tear. I smell like a crease. Test pack, yeah. I don't know, but this profile feels a lot, well, I haven't really punched it, but this pack's about dead. Really, yo? It's cold as fuck, boy. I barely got like 2-minute pack. Come on, man. This is a 6S China Hot. Well, you can't see that. 6S 1200 mod China Hobby lines. Damn, yo. Throttle is raised. Chill. Damn, bro. That like, this bitch is cold as fuck, boy. Broski. That motherfucker count. 2-minute pack. 2-minute flight. got 2 more packs. Hold on. All right. Actually, that's not how we can pause that. All right, so 3rd pack. They're not really warm, so I don't expect too much greatness. That last pack flew a lot better, but I didn't get a chance to do any acro. It was just more like just to chill. Well, you saw. I'm not telling you for. So I want to try and get ill with it a little bit and see what happens with this Motor 3. Will this bitch go James Flames? Let's find out. Okay, yeah, let's. Okay, and you bugging, bruh. Sync clap, take 4. I'm extra. Leave me alone. That ain't COVID, man. That's not COVID. You saw that fucking vaping. Shut up. I'm fucking with you. Love y'all. Turn the radio on, maybe. Alright. I still don't like the seated shit. Put it out there. Musica, please. I just fucking wasted this battery. It's probably like cold as shit now. Because this goddamn radio, fucking phone. Well, we're walking. Fuck, I'll be back. God damn, bro. That bitch was juicy as fuck, though. Okay, well, that just came unplugged. Should we try it again? Let's see. Okay, anyway. I was gonna go fly another pack, but, I mean, the quad was fine, but I realized, I broke the, zip ties off the, Immortal T. I got zip ties somewhere in my bag, but you know what? That shit felt good, so I'm not gonna push it. So, you know, I learned, you know, you start breaking shit when you get greedy for shit, and I'm not that pressed. I got that, you know, that FPV nut off, so I feel pretty good. So, with that, I'm out.
I'm a lazy fucking gangster dog, and I drip harder than the water cool Tesla would. Mama see the with injections, so a chest look good.